One of the main materials used in construction is the concrete. In fact, this material is widely used in construction all over the world. Concrete is the mixture or combination of cement, sand, and gravel mixed together with water. It is strong in compression, allowing it to support heavy loads. It is durable and versatile material that comes with different strength and types. Perhaps one of the type of concrete you never heard of is the foam concrete. What do you think is foam concrete? What its composition and where it is being used? Before we proceed further, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell for you to get updated on structural engineering videos like this. Foam concrete, also known as cellular lightweight concrete, is a lightweight type of concrete, mainly used for filling works to achieve the desired level of finishing. This building material is very useful and ideal to use in roof decks, stain pan fill, elevated or raised floorings, and overlay. It can also be used as a lightweight platform, curbs, downspout, gutters, balconies, floors, fish ponds, or any other work that normally done with standard weight concrete. Depending on the mixture and its applications, the density is ranging from 300 kg to 1600 kg per cubic meter, compared to a normal weight concrete, which is 2400 kg per cubic meter. The minimum compressive strength of foam concrete is 2 megapascal, or 20 kg per square meter. It can be achieved by mixing liquid cement grout or sand cement grout by a foam made by a foaming agent. The type of foaming agent varies in accordance to the supplier properties and specifications. The advantages of foam concrete are: 1. Very light material. Due to its low density, it reduces the dead load on slabs and foundation when used as a filling material. 2. Economical. Foam concrete is very cost-effective compared to the normal weight concrete. It contains high volume of air voids, allowing it to use less cement, sand, and does not contain any aggregates, thus reducing the overall material cost. 3. Incombustible. Due to its cementitious component, this material has very good fire rating capability. It does not ignite or burn as it is a fireproof material. 4. Insulating. Because of its cellular component, it prevents the transfer of heat or sound. Using this material as a barrier in external and interior walls, for example, it helps our houses warm during summer and cool during winter. It also improves acoustic performance, thus making a certain space soundproof. 5. Inalterable. Foam concrete is considered as inalterable because its properties makes it stable over time on a normal condition. It behaves like a normal weight concrete, and once hardened, it is almost impossible to break and it does not decompose. How foam concrete is being used in filling. The engineer should establish the required height or level of fill by the use of temporary markers or level. Once the required level has been established, start filling of foam concrete up to the marked level by aluminum angle to form a smooth and evenly leveled surface. The use of machine called aerator, which automatically sucks the specified quantity of foaming agent and water mixes them with compressed air to form a foam-like mixture. This will then be poured into concrete mixer that has already cement and water inside. The amount of cement needed is in proportion to the required density and its applications. This is in accordance to the table as shown. The curing of the screed is about 24 hours or 1 day by the use of fresh water. It is then be fully dried and hardened within 2 days. This is relatively quick compared to a normal weight concrete, allowing the construction work to proceed without delay. Are there any other details that you can add to this video? We love to hear your thoughts. Leave a message on the comments section below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.